Welcome to MBBS Council. In this video, we are going to talk about ESI Medical Colleges and more specifically about the ESI Quota. This video is part of MBBS Admission Counseling video course for government colleges. You can watch the complete course on video course section of MBBSCouncil Android app. If you have not installed the app, you can install it from Google Play Store. Install link is also given in the description below. There are 11 ESI medical colleges in India with 1,180 MBBS seats. Karnataka and Tamil Nadu have 2 ESI colleges. Kerala, Haryana, Telangana, West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan and Bihar have 1 ESI college each. ESI college in Rajasthan and Bihar was started during 2021. ESI medical colleges have 3 types of quotas. 15% seats are available under All India quota. Approximately 35% of seats are available under ESI quota and the rest 50% seats are available as state quota. The share of ESI quota and state quota varies from college to college based on the agreement between ESI corporation and state government. If you have subscribed for employee state insurance, then you can try ESI quota seats. There are 437 ESI quota seats for which candidates from any Indian state who holds ESI card are eligible to participate. Counseling for ESI quota is conducted by Medical Counselling Committee. Tuition fees for ESI quota candidates are Rs 24,000 per year. For candidates joining ESI college through All India quota and state quota, tuition fees is Rs 1 lakh per year. Tuition fees also varies from one ESI college to another. Few ESI medical colleges are run directly by the state government. For example, ESI Kollam is run by Kerala state government under the name Government Medical College Kollam. Tuition fees here is Rs 20,000 only. Similarly, ESI Coimbatore tuition fees is Rs 13,360. This is just the tuition fees. Apart from this, you have to pay hostel fees, mess fees, lab fees, library fees and miscellaneous fees. Hostel fees would be 3,000 per year and the mess fees would be approximately 3,000 per month. ESI colleges have 1 year compulsory service bond. You will be posted in any ESI hospital across India. You will be asked to sign a 5 lakh bond at the time of admission and asked to give a bank guarantee for 5 lakhs later. This is one of the reasons why ESI is least preferred. During the internship, you will be getting Rs 23,500 per month as stipend. For All India quota, the cutoff was All India rank 20,703 during last year. For ESI quota, the cutoff rank was 76,977, much less than All India rank cutoff. For SC category, the cutoff is 1 lakh for All India quota and it is close to 3 lakhs under ESI quota. Cutoff rank for ESI quota is almost 3 to 4 times higher. This is the order in which candidates and parents preferred ESI colleges during last year NEET admission counseling. Haryana tops the list. It is followed by Kollam, then Rajasthan. ESI Coimbatore is preferred than ESI Chennai because bond conditions are not strictly followed in Coimbatore. Least preferred is the ESI Patna Medical College, which is started during 2021. This brings us to end of this video. If you have any doubts regarding NEET admission counseling, contact MBBS admission counselor by clicking the WhatsApp button on the home screen of MBBSCouncil app. Our counselors will answer them when they find free time. See you in another video.